on, Sam. And now, where did Ella? There it is. Good job. Now we're ready. Oopsie, just a second here. Let's try this one. Hat, hair.
Oh, Sam! His favorite
hair?
thing. You look at that smile on his face.
Hair. Hair. Yeah, hair. Good. Okay, let's try again, Sam. Can you see what's going on here? Oh, that's right. Oh, belly button. I see a belly button. What a nice belly button that is. Oh, you did it. Oh, you're such a boy. Let's try again, shall we? Oh, that's a good girl, Ella. You show him. Oh, man, we have no... We don't have a chance. Oopity.